أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My name is Hafiz Bilal Ahmad, and inshallah in this class we are going to start ayat number 8 of Surah Qalam. So let's start now. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Fala tuti'il Fala, lam we long due to alif madda because alif is coming after fatha. So in this place two counts we long. Fala tuti'il. So make sure the first letter is ta, which is light letter. Second is ta, that is heavy. So make sure to read separate sound. Tu, three, tu, three, tu, three, tu, three, il. Ain read from the middle of the throat. And ain we connect with the lam on the next page. Tuti'il, tuti'il, mukazzibin, mukazzibin. Kaf we read in light sound, zal we read in soft sound, and ba we long due to ya madda. And when we stop here, so madde aris comes, so we say mukazzibin. Waddu law tudhinu. وَدُّوا لَوْ تُدْهِنُوا فَيُدْهِنُونَ وَدُّوا. Waw is madda here. Waw is coming with sukun sign, and before there is dhamma. So this waw is waw madda. We long two counts here. Waddu law. This waw is waw leen. When waw comes with sukun sign, and if before there is fatha comes, so we make soft sound there. So we do not long here. We say law, law. Tudhinu. On the dal we make qalqala, which is the weak qalqala. Fayudhinun. Here again weak qalqala. Noon we long due to waw madda, and when we stop it's become madda aris. We long two counts if we read in hadar position. So now we read this all. وَدُّوا لَوْ تُدْهِنُوا فَيُدْهِنُونَ وَلَا تُطِعْ كُلَّ حَلَّافٍ مَهِينٍ كُلَّ حَلَّافٍ مَهِينٍ. Wala, lam we long due to alif madda. Ta we read in light sound. Ta we read in heavy sound. Ain we read from the middle of the throat, and we make tawassut quality. We continue our sound little bit. Tutir, tutir. Kulla, kaf we read in light sound due to istifal quality. Hallafin, ha we read from the middle of the throat, and when we connect with the lam, so we read bit strong, and also lam we long due to alif madda. Halla fim. After the tanween, the next letter is mim, which is from yarmalun letters. So we make idgham with gunna. So we long almost two counts here as well. Halla fim mahin. Ha we long due to ya madda, and when we stop, so this double kasra we skip, and only we put a sukun sign here, which is temporary sukun. So we say madde aris then. So we say mahin. And then on the noon, tawassut quality again comes. We cannot finish this noon sound quickly. Mahin, hin, like that. So now we say all together. وَلَا تُطِعْ كُلَّ حَلَّافٍ مَهِينٍ وَلَا تُطِعْ كُلَّ حَلَّافٍ مَهِينٍ هماز مشاء بنميم Hammazim. On the meme there is shasan, we make gunna, we long here two counts. And here is alif madda, meme also we long due to alif madda. Hamma. First we long due to gunna, then we long due to alif. Like Hamma Zim. After the tanween, the next is meme. We make idgham with gunna. Zim, Masha'im. Here you can see this is alif madda. Alif is coming after fatha. So this is alif madda and the mad sign is coming on the alif. So the rule is if after the madda letter hamza comes in the same word, so masha'im, this is the complete word. So hamza is coming after madda letter in the same word. So this is called madde muttasil, which we learn 4 to 5 counts. So we say masha'im. And now you can see here is a small meme. So after the tanween, if ba comes, we make iqlab there, because the rule is after the noon sakin or tanween, if ba comes, so we make iqlab there. Like what we do, basically we convert the second kasra which is coming under the hamza. Under the hamza there are double kasra. So the second kasra sound is like a noon sakin sound. So that noon sakin we convert into meme. So that's why we say im. Otherwise, if we do not read meme, so the sound comes hamza double kasra in. The noon sound is coming in the end. That noon sound is due to this second kasra. So the second kasra we convert into meme. Like the noon we convert into meme to read easily here. That's why this tanween we connect with the meme now. And now we make iqlab here. Masha'im bi. And also another rule is here which is called ikhfa shafawi, because when we convert noon into meme, so then that is called iqlab, because in iqlab means we change, like we change the noon into meme. And the second rule is after the meme sakin, if ba comes, so we make ikhfa shafawi, like we hide the sound of meme into our nose and we read the meme sound softly. So we say masha'im. Bina meme, meme we learn due to ya madda, and when we stop here, so this double kasra again we skip and we put a sukun sign and it's become madde aris. So we say now all together hammazim masha'im bina meme. And here in the sheen we make hums quality, we continue our breath, and also we make tafashi quality, which means spread the sound of sheen into your mouth. So we say mash, mash, right? Manna'il lil khayri, manna'il lil khayri, mu'tadin athim, mu'tadin athim. Manna'il. On the noon there is shad sign, we make gunna, and also we learn due to alif madda. After the tanween, the next letter is lam, we make idgham without gunna, and on the lam we make tawassut quality, like on the both lam. So we say manna'il lil. Kha we read in heavy sound, ya is lean here, we read softly, and ra we read in light sound. So we say manna'il lil khayri, mu'tadin. On the ain again we make tawassut quality. After tanween, the next letter is hamza, we make izhar here, like izhar of noon, izhar halaki. Sa we learn due to ya madda, and also we read sa in soft sound. And if we stop here, it becomes madde aris, and double kasra we skip. So we say mu'tadin athim. Now you can see here the meme is coming with shadda sign on it. It means if you connect this previous word bina meme with this one, so then we say bina meme meme. Okay, meme we connect with the meme then, and after tanween there is meme, so which is idgham with gunna. Then we say idgham with gunna here. Otherwise, because we stop here, so we will only read fatha on the meme. Shad sign we do not look. So we say manna'il lil khayri mu'tadin athim, utullin ba'da, utullin ba'da, dhalika zanim, dhalika zanim. Utullim, ain we read from the middle of the throat. After tanween again there is ba, we make iqlab and ikhfa shafawi as well. We will hide the sound of meme and we read softly here, the meme sound. Utullim ba'da. On the ain, tawassut quality. Zalika. Zal we read with soft sound and also we long due to standing fatha on it. Kaf we read in light sound. And noon we long due to ya madda. And if we stop, so it's become madde aris. Double kasra we skip. So we say Utullim ba'da zalika zanim. Utullim ba'da zalika zanim. Akana Za malin wa banin. Za malin wa banin. Kana. After the noon sakin, there is kaf, which is ikhfa letter. The kaf is ikhfa letter. There are 15 ikhfa letters. So, and also this kaf is light. So, in this case, the noon sound we hide, and also we read the noon sound light. Kana. Kana. Kaf we long due to alif madda. Zal we read in soft sound, and also we long due to alif madda. Za. Maliyu. This is again alif madda. After tanween there is waw, we make idgham with gunna. There is ya madda, and if we stop it's become madde aris. So we say kana za malin wa banin. So this is our lesson up to here, and now we read this complete lesson again. So listen carefully and try yourself. Fala tuti'il mukazzibin. وَدُّوا لَوْ تُدْهِنُ فَيُدْهِنُونَ وَلَا تُطِعْ كُلَّ حَلَّافٍ مَّهِينٍ هَمَّازٍ مَّشَّاءٍ بِنَمِيمٍ مناع للخير معتد أثيم عتل بعد ذلك زنيم أن كان ذا مال وبنين صدق الله العظيم. So this is our lesson today. Inshallah, from here in the next class we will start. And if you like this video, so click on the like button and share with your friends. And inshallah, see you in the next class with the new lesson. Take care. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.